In today's video, we're going to go around Sumter National Forest here in the local Augusta area and see what trails are still open and passable after Hurricane Helene. As you can see in the background here, all these trees that are down are due to that storm. So stick around and check us out, having a little bit of fun. So this is a fun little road that we found here. It's close to Sumter National Forest, but it's really just a public road that's not well maintained. So we came out here with the intentions of just riding around and clearing some trails as needed, but it looks like the Forestry Service or logging companies or someone has done a lot of clearing since the storm, but the damage is still pretty noticed. There's trees down everywhere. So we're riding the trails, and we got our first obstacle to clear out. So let's get started.
Keep going. Oh, there you go. Oh, no.
So that was a dead end, took us nowhere, which happens a lot around our area. You know, we go exploring and we push down a trail and it ends up being nothing. So it is what it is. You wouldn't find cool places if you didn't push on, and you find that one good place out of 10. All right, we have some trees that people cleared, but they didn't do a very good job. So we're going to pull them out of the way and make the road a little bit more passable. So to get this one out of the way, I think we're going to have Tiff take the Bronco up there, turn around so we can kind of pull it around that way. That's a big root system to try to get moved. But this tree over here, there's other trees holding it, so I don't think we can really move that one. No, it's okay.
You just look at it?
Oh my God! You almost hit that tree! That was right in the headlight too.
But I didn't.
Yeah. Luckily.
Oh, wait. What was that tree you almost hit in a parking lot?
Hey, you know, we don't talk about that. So that was interesting and pretty easy to move it. that Bronco definitely did some squatting, and but yeah, I had it in 4-wheel drive, pulled it right back. Tiff did almost take out a headlight, but she didn't, so a success. And did some clearing, but they did not do a good job at all. It's like, why cut it just a little? How much room I got over there?
I can't see it.
All right.
You're good. Just you kissed it like you're kissing your sister.
Why would you?
It's off of Madagascar.
Yes, but why would you kiss her?
It's just.
All right, here's a big tree. Let's see. People been driving around it.
Yep.
Actually, I think we're at the end of the trail, so I don't even know if this is worth moving.
Oh, where must one go?
Yeah, we're at the end.
Oh. Sure. We might could go that way.
We'll get out and look at it.
Or that way.
So we're at the end of this trail, but it keeps going down there, so he's checking that out. But I mean, we got big trees down here, a big tree down over here. People have been driving around it.
A small tree down. I'm gonna go ahead a little bit on foot.
All right, so he's checking that out. It might be worth going on down there. We'll see. He says that it goes pretty good ways, so we're gonna go check it out. So it definitely looks interesting. Logs and ruts up there. Give him some space.
Oh.
He might need 4-wheel drive.
Changing my seating position. Not making me a drum.
Alright. Let's see how this goes.
Water, cover.
Oh, easy. Easy day. It's gonna be a little off camber here. I'll try to hug this side of the rut. There we go.
We are 9 degrees. This way. We can't use those tonight. Like,
It's what? Because that's a second point.
oh.
I won't say I got that on camera, but I might have got that on camera.
I like the end. Relax.
All right, we're continuing down this trail, but there's a pretty big tree down, so we're gonna take care of this and keep pushing and see what we can find. We got that area cleared out, but there are some pretty large mud holes. Should I say ice holes right now? Ice holes. Down through here. So 2 of them are going to come through here, and I'm going to see if one of them gets stuck. Hopefully not. So after that work of exploring, yet again we found another, pretty much a dead end. I mean, trees forever down. I mean, we would be here probably for days clearing that out to probably lead to nothing. So I think we're going to turn around and head back out. So we're headed to the next trail system, but I wanted to show you guys something funny because when Tiff was trying to navigate around some of those trees, she went to look and make sure the side of the Bronco wasn't making contact with a tree branch. When she did that, she bopped her head on the window. But look at this. That right there is her head print.
Wait, what?
Where she bashed against the window.
It wasn't that bad. It was a bump.
It was funny. So we're going down a path, down a old trail that we used to run before the winter. It's been a while, before hunting season, but there's a huge down tree, actually 2 down trees. We're gonna see if we can move them without too much effort, so we can check out this trail system, but we'll see. So these are the very, very large trees that we're going to try to move. We're gonna use a snatch block, try to pull them to the side here. The top one is rotten. The bottom one may be rotten. I don't know. But wish us luck. So we can get this next one. So we finally got it all cleared. Took a lot of effort. The bottom tree wasn't as rotten as we thought. So now we're going to push on this trail and see if it was worth our efforts. So we cleared that in about 100 yards. We had another tree that we just don't want to mess with today. So we're calling it a wrap for the day, and just got to get out off the trails.
Did you just find the whole tree?
I did. Two-wheel drive. You want to do it?
Yeah. Oh gosh, no!
And that'll do it for today's video. It was pretty fun, I guess. Yeah. We cleared some trees out. You know, it wasn't anything crazy, a lot of dead ends, but hopefully next time we come out we can get more people, maybe more of a full day to check it out and clear some more trails. But if you haven't downloaded Onyx, make sure you do that, because that's how I keep track of all these roads and places that I want to go back to and clear and have roads in the future to travel through. So thanks for watching. God bless. We'll see you next time.
We found Bigfoot. If you look, you can see it walking. Hold on. As it comes clearer. Oh, it's coming straight at us. As any true Bigfoot, he is hiding in the tree. Oh, there it is.